Hello YouTube. Today I am doing a review on the TechForce 669BK dual blade spring assisted folding knife. The weight of this knife is about 7 ounces. The color of this knife is beautiful black. The length of this black aluminum handle is about 5.25 inches when closed. Has a double 2.5 inches black blades, one half serrated. As you can see from the camera, the serrated blade is very sharp, and I have used it to cut rope and plastic strip, and it cut very easily. It has two red pivot pin rims that I think it make it look like an owl. What do you think? It also includes a pocket clip, which is I think is a very nice feature that a lot of folding knife in the market today don't have it. It is spring assisted, very easy to open, dual blades. Each can open and close independently. The liner locking system can securely hold the two blades in place. I have tried to push the blade inward with the safety on. It doesn't move, which is a good thing. The grip of this knife is comfortable and firm, no matter how you hold it. Even with the one blade open, the holding position is still quite comfortable. Here is how I usually handle the knife with one blade on. Use thumb to push one side of the handle, and then use rest of the finger to hold the other side of the handle. This will give you a good grip to cut. Even though this knife does not come with a glass breaker like the 707 PE, it has two sharp edges which can be used like a glass breaker.